Hi everybody, my name's Kahlia and I'm the mama and creator behind A Mother's Bond. I'm here in my daughter Olivia's bedroom so I can show you how to install a Spinky Baby canopy above a bed.
I prefer to not put holes in my roof, so I'll be using a set of 3M command strips and a removable roof hook to hang my canopy. Obviously every roof and house is different, so make sure you do your own research on what hook will work best for you. Use the loop attached to the top of your canopy to hang it from the roof hook. Then place the material around each side of the bed. Fluff the tulle if needed. I added a decorative pillow and a doll on the bed as styling pieces. Then to finish the look I used a single Pom Garland and threaded it through the small loop at the opening part of the canopy, then tied it into a bow. A canopy always adds a beautiful touch to a bedroom. I hope you love the final look.